Nowadays, sports plays an important role in our life, so today we are going to learn uses of wood in different sports. Hello, welcome to my channel Woodwork Techniques. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Let's start with cricket. This game is very popular in many countries, and wood plays an important role in this game. Most of the equipment's made from wood, like cricket bat, stumps, and bails, and in foot pad and hand pad, wood strips used for good supports, so overall it depends on wood. Now, talk about hockey. This game is very popular in so many countries, and it mainly depends on wood. Hockey stick, made from wood, but nowadays stick made from composite materials. Let's move to baseball. This is also a very popular game. Baseball stick, made from wood. Most woods used for baseball stick is ash, maple, bamboo, and metal alloy. Now, move to some indoor games, and we start with carom board. This game is very popular in children's. This board is made from plywood, with circular pockets on its four corners and with very high finish. Next game is snooker. You can find out this game in most of hotels and clubs. Main table of this game is made from oak and walnut, and its cue stick made from maple wood. Chess is very popular indoor game in all over the world. Chess board is made from ebony, ivory, glass, and plastic. There is so many more games that depend on the wood, but in the end, we can say wood plays an huge and important role in sports, and a good game improve our mental health. Don't forget to play games in your free time. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.